Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I will tell you about another dangerous resource that may unexpectedly attack your Mac browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and the rest. This resource is called latforddom.pro. latforddom.pro. The pop-up appears unexpectedly and says, click the Allow button, checking your browser to access the website. Click OK. Click Allow. So the trick is that when the people mistakenly click on this Allow button, or the name of the button may be mentioned in some other language, not only English, the trick is that when they do that, the browser gets immediately hijacked. So this means that the people will start receiving random alerts into their screens that will essentially distract the people's attention, and you should be very careful not to do that, not to click on this Allow button, no matter how tricky it is. If you have done that by mistake, watch carefully as I explain how to restore your browser back to the fully functional condition and how to get rid of these unwanted pop-up ads. So first of all, you need to access the browser menu, then click on Settings, scroll down to Advanced, select Site Settings, now Notification, and find this website. Click here and select Remove. Another important step, I believe, is that you scan your Mac computer with the reliable and powerful security software, and you may do that with Combo Cleaner and Antivirus. combocleaner.com, that's the website that you need to go to download it. After you install the software, this is the way it looks like. We need to click on the Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning process, and the program may find some threads immediately, or it may be that you will not have any threads at all, or if you do have such threads, it might take some time. You just need to wait until the scanning is over. Keep in mind that the antivirus function is only the part of the premium version of Combo Cleaner. However, scanning a Mac with this software is strongly recommended. You do not have to buy it, the premium version, but even if you just scan your Mac with the trial version, you will be able to find where exactly the threads are located in your Mac, because Combo Cleaner will give you a thorough report of the location of such threads. So thanks for watching, and I hope the video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.